Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to plant a winter vegetable garden. Now, you can plant a vegetable garden pretty much year-round if you live in a warm climate. If you live in a colder climate, you can plant things through the winter, especially if you cover them with plastic or you have a greenhouse. There's lots of vegetables you can plant that you can harvest through the winter. Now, things like spinach and broccoli and different types of lettuce actually do better when it's a little bit cooler out. So if you plant them in September, October, then they're going to come up and you can harvest through October, November, December even. And especially if you just cover them with plastic, you can make a mini greenhouse, and even if you have a raised bed outside or even a container on your deck, you can enjoy your vegetables for lots of months, even through the winter. Now, kale is another vegetable that's really easy to grow. So you can start the seeds pretty much year-round, but for a vegetable garden through the winter time, start them in September, October, and then that way you can enjoy your vegetables through the winter.